Today, we're diving into how to get the Google Play Store onto your Samsung Smart TV, giving you access to a massive library of streaming services, games, and more. Let's get started by grabbing your Samsung Smart TV remote first. Navigate to your TV's home screen. You'll usually see this by pressing the home button on your remote, which often looks like a little house icon. Once you're on the home screen, look for the Apps section. This is where all your installed applications live and where you can discover new ones. It might be labeled as apps, applications, or represented by an App Store icon. Now, within the Apps section, you'll need to find the search function. This is typically represented by a magnifying glass icon. Select the search bar and type in Google Play Store. As you type, the Google Play Store app should appear in the search results. Highlight the Google Play Store icon and select it to view its details. On the app's detail page, you'll see an install or download button. Select this button to begin the download and installation process. Once the installation is complete, the Google Play Store icon will appear on your TV's main app screen. You can now open it, sign in with your Google account, and start exploring thousands of apps right from your couch. Enjoy your expanded app experience.